Hey traders, let's talk about Enjin coin. It just jumped 230% in the last 7 days, now sitting around $0.068 with strong 24-hour trading volume. That's definitely catching attention. But here's the real question. Is this the start of a bullish breakout or just a classic trap? Big spikes like this are often driven by hype and short-term momentum. Smart traders usually watch for pullbacks, consolidation, and volume stability before calling it a true uptrend. If the price holds and builds support, we could see more upside. But if volume fades, a sharp correction might follow. So stay alert, manage your risk, and don't chase the pump. Is this the beginning of something big, or just another spike? Let's watch closely. Also, quick update. We've just released our latest Enjin coin price prediction update, support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for Enjin coin. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime, happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.